Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Frontier Email Fast Fix step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in frontier.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the email option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the email link. You will be redirected to the Frontier Email login page. Locate the username field. Enter your Frontier Email username in this field. Next, find the password field. Input your password in this section. After entering your username and password, double-check for any typos. Once you're sure your information is correct, click on the Sign In button. If your login is successful, you will be directed to your Frontier email inbox. If you encounter any issues, double-check your username and password. If necessary, use the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Follow the prompts to create a new password if you cannot remember yours. After resetting, return to the login page and enter your updated credentials. Click Sign In to access your email. You are now logged into your Frontier email account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.